What's up, YouTube? Okay, I know it's been a long time, and I've said that I'd try to make a video every week, but been busy, so I'm making a short video for you guys. I've had more than one person ask me to make a video or put up a picture of this sticker right here. This sticker shows what all the wires do. I'm guessing a lot of those units that you have out there don't have this sticker, so again, this is going to be a quick video just showing the sticker for you guys. And you can pause this video at any point so you can see what wires do what. So hopefully this helps. And I'll be trying to make more videos. I've just been working so much that it's hard to do. And when you're off work, you don't want to do any. So again, hope this is good enough for you guys to figure out what to do and go from there. But there you go. Like I said, this is going to be a short video, and hopefully you guys can see this good and hook your stuff up. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later.